Hello everyone, welcome to Faith Bits. Faith is the substance of things we hope for, evidence of things we do not see. Today we are going to see the number one hindrance to healing. It is unforgiveness. Unforgiveness is an emotional block in your soul that hinders the healing, the manifestation of healing. We all know our soul is made up of three main components: mind, will, and emotions. When you have unforgiveness in your heart, your emotion carries a lot of burden like grudge, anger, resentment. All this weighs you down and it delays your healing. Make a decision today in your soul to let go the one who betrayed you, who disappointed you. If you're holding on to resentment all these years towards the person who mistreated you, let go now. Just say, I forgive you. I forgive you. When I think of you, I only smile. I don't have any thought about what happened in my past at all. That should be the renewing of your mind. Mind is a major component of the soul. Be transformed by renewing of your mind today. Unforgiveness, over a period of time, it builds up in a person and it manifests in the form of inflammations in your body like knee pain, hand pain, joint pains, inflammations. All this is a result of unforgiveness. Yes, this is true. Knowingly, unknowingly, consciously, unconsciously, you pick up unforgiveness and you keep storing it in your soul. Today, know the beauty of forgiving others. Forgive those who trespassed against you, whoever it may be. Okay, maybe a colleague in your office, or someone you met on the way, or someone in your home, or someone who treated you very partially, where you were mistreated, you were not given what rightfully belongs to you, or some injustice done to you, or some fight that happened between you and others. Whatever might be the reason, let's not reason out here. Just let go the past. Let go the one who hurt you. That is a major freedom that you are giving to yourself. A very good gift you can give to yourself. When you forgive someone, you are actually you are in a humble state. That makes easy for the Lord, the power of God to manifest, to go inside you. Enjoy the benefit of forgiving others. Forgiveness quickens the healing in your body. Why don't you try it today? Just tell the Lord, Lord, as you have forgiven me, I forgive everyone who sinned against me. And see the result. There will not be any hindrance to healing anymore. If you are a person who knows God is willing to heal and God is all able to heal, and you believe in the gift of healing, then you can go and take your healing. If there is a hindrance of unforgiveness in your heart, let that person go and take your healing. May God be glorified in this. Stay tuned for more on Faith Bits.